Oh, hey. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a firework. First, you need firework. You're gonna get a. You need a light like this. 3:30 a.m. You're gonna need to take apart this box. I mean, if you get a new one, make sure to get rid of the phone itself. Nobody cares about that. But make sure to hide it so they don't think you killed it. You're gonna take it out. You're gonna stick the firework right in there. You're gonna close the lid. This is when the light comes in handy. See this? Make sure that it touches the 9 perfectly. Touch. Then you stick it on top. And then you need an altoid pin just for the triple. Then you need, sorry about that. Oh, you've written that. Then you need an altoid box filled with triple. Sorry about that.
Sorry.
You'll need an altoid small box. Get rid of all the altoids because those things smell bad. You're gonna fill it with triple A powders like this. One sec. Let's do it.
And then you're gonna need a small screwdriver and an Allen wrench.
Make sure it's super small. See this? Then you need half a skateboard. I'm sorry. Half a tricycle.
I can't take it anymore.
This is when the triple A. This is when the box comes in handy. See this? You open it up carefully, make sure nothing escapes. You stick that pedal in there. You have to put it directly on top. But this is when the iPhone 3GS box comes in handy. Make sure to take this part apart carefully. See this? We don't need that. What's this? Actually, we don't need any of it. Just do it. Let me grab this. I think it might be a ping pong. I'm still pretty confused. But...
Or a pizza cutter.
Oh yeah, but I'm pretty sure it's a ping pong ball. See this? This is where this comes in handy. And that is how you build a firework. Oh, and if you need a lighter, blow it up. The end. See you next time on Mike's Commercials.